Step into the 2014 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.